Where are we, Mom, and what are we doing?
Oh my gosh. Okay. We're walking 10 miles to Starbucks because Noah couldn't decide on a parking
Oh my God,
place.
it's right there.
The other day, he parked so far away when we were at Earth Fair, I thought I had to catch a shuttle.
That was a joke.
You parked way far away.
What? No, I didn't. I was the closest one. That was a joke,
no, not
remember?
The last time, the time before.
The time before I wasn't driving.
Yes. What do you mean you weren't driving? Yes, you were, because you parked for, remember? Because I said, okay, well, I'll just take a shuttle.
Yes, that was a joke because we're going. You thought I was
Welcome to the Howard family. Good morning.
Thought, Mom?
What a way to start out today's vlog.
Exactly.
I love you.
I can't believe you used that against me.
Gotta start at the day right. Pumpkin spice latte and Chipotle. I am literally such a stereotype right now.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
She is a people developer.
She's a people developer.
I know, right? What the heck? Like,
What would a people developer be?
A parent? So, bad news today. I am very sore from the other day at the gym. We didn't go to the gym this morning. We're going to later tonight. Good news, I don't really feel nearly as sick. So like the two kind of balance each other out, you know? So we have just had like a 15-minute argument over what is the correct way to shower. Noah, you are showering wrong, is all I'm gonna say.
Uh-uh.
Y'all are wrong.
No,
How do you
y'all
shower?
are wrong.
Answer in the comments. Don't do that, no.
So we, because my mother is like meeting with one of our friends here, and in the meantime, I'm gonna do some editing because I need to finish up yesterday's vlog.
One eternity later.
I did it, I did it. Finished editing yesterday's vlog, yay. Noah, do you approve of it?
Yeah.
I think now we're heading to Rocket Fizz, which is a candy shop that also is, it's quite the place. So, what did you get, Noah?
Toxic waste.
Which, thank you. I love sour candy. He's not as much a fan. But, should we down ours together?
It's gonna suck.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. That's my water. Ooh. Oh, yeah.
It's not enjoyable.
Oh, it is.
Oh my God.
You okay?
The crap. Why?
Ooh, it's good. Now it's at that sweet part.
Not yet. That's like a slide. Like, the sweet part is when you're landing. You know?
How would you rate that experience out of 10?
I mean, I didn't like it.
Gotta go.
You gotta go? You gotta go pick up Chloe? Let's go!
Oh my lord, I hate being late picking Sissy up.
This stupid traffic. Am I right?
Yes. I know, it's
Why is there traffic?
3:27. Why are all these cars out here? Why aren't they
They're all
always...
late for their children's school.
Oh, yeah, like us. Hurry up.
Look at this. I feel at home. Hey, Chloe, do you want me to blare this and roll down the windows so all the kids hear it? Huh? Huh?
Gumbushes is blooming. They're blooming.
They're blooming.
Exactly.
You know where we're stopping last on our little like...
Walmart?
No way. It's Target.
It's Target.
Never been to
Whoop-de freaking do.
It's every day.
It's every day, bro.
That Disney Channel flow. I'm really playing.
No, keep going. Keep going. I want to see how much of that you know. Bro, what are we about to do?
Put on fox masks and go up to my mom, I guess.
Here, I'll get the panda.
Oh, no.
You want the panda?
No, actually, I want.
That's gonna terrify mom.
Exactly.
This is literally the best thing. Yeah, exactly. Hello, Mother.
My children have turned into animals. Cute. That has scary eyes. What the heck is up with that?
Hello, Mother.
You got a dirty nose.
Their eyes are
Someone's been sucking on that nose.
Wait, can I try? Can I try that?
Okay, that is motivation to take this off. Let's go.
Oreos act like Oreos are a collector item.
We are such a weird family.
we're so opposite of each other. It's ridiculous. Like,
What do you mean? I think we're all crazy.
Oh my gosh. Me at home, I'm so tired, I want nothing more than to lay down and take a nap. That's not happening.
No, we're going to the gym.
Do you think they'd allow if I hooked up my chest harness for my GoPro to just be right here to get some cool shots of like pumping? Who is ready for pain and soreness?
Me.
Yeah, because that's what we're gonna have. Or at least I will. Here comes death. What? I think my favorite thing is when machines have the weights for the flat surface so I can mount the GoPro on it. And I can move the GoPro while I'm doing this. Oh, it's supposed to
Okay,
grab
run.
it.
Let's go.
Running? It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. Take a wild freaking guess what we're doing now. My favorite.
put like Eye of the Tiger during this stuff. I was just listening to it.
I feel like that one scene in a Spider-Man where he's just... That's exactly what I feel like.
Yeah.
You gotta assume the Jesus position here. I know it looks like I'm faking my facial expressions.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I know. It's totally natural, trust me. The scrunching of the eyebrows, for sure though. Yeah. Like, you do that just because you do it. All right, good job. On to the next.
I'm only halfway done, but sure, I'll take it.
Powering through, you should be feeling it in your butt. And
Oh,
your
I'm feeling it.
hamstring. What are we doing? Suicides?
Looking at the other.
Suicides.
What's that?
Suicides. We gotta go outside for that.
I'm sure this is gonna be just nice and relaxing.
Ready? Go.
Oh wait, we don't touch?
You can.
Okay, running is my thing, so I'm not gonna let you beat me on this one. Ready? 3.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I can't. I can't.
This hurts my hands. 7.
There's no freaking way I can do this. There's literally no way. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I can't pick myself up. This isn't happening.
All right. What's next?
Back to square one.
Back to square one?
What does that mean?
Whatever the heck we did first. Which I can't remember.
Oh, I feel like Dash.
We're dead! We're dead! We're survived, but we're dead!
We were in there. That was so much. That was so much longer than yesterday. And we didn't have a moment of break. And I'm just.
Hi, this is Pastor Steve.
Pastor Steve, just give me a moment, please. Just when you thought the day was done, we could lay down and take it. No, it turns out dinner is still a thing that people do.
Yeah, it's such a pain in the rear too.
It really
I get
is.
tired of it. Plus I can't afford it.
So, take a wild flip and guess what I'm getting for dinner tonight. That's right, my favorite. I'm such a literal LA stereotype today with Chipotle for like lunch and dinner, pumpkin spice latte. This is ridiculous. We're just like sitting here on the steps, all enjoying our meal.
Yeah.
What a great way to end today. It's been quite a day.
Yes.
Quite a day. This is such like a... Okay, well then. This is such a pretty area, isn't it?
Yeah.
Except for the people sometimes. Oh, I didn't think it was possible, but somehow I'm even more sore now than I was last night. Everything is pain! But I gotta keep telling myself, to stay positive.
So don't tell me how to act or how I should